Hello there and welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be solving over 10 most repeated exam questions. The first question we have on the board: solve for x in this equation. 3x plus 5 is less than 2x plus 9. Option A, we have x is less than 4. Option B, we have x is greater than 4. C, we have x is less than minus 4. And option D, we have x is greater than minus 4. The first step is to rewrite this equation. We have 3x plus 5 is less than 2x plus 9. It says solve for x, which simply means to make x the subject of formula here. But we have 3x and we have 2x. What we need to do is to add minus 2x to both sides. Add minus 2x to both sides. If we do that, we have 3x plus minus 2x plus 5 is less than 2x. Don't forget, add minus 2x to both sides plus 9. Here we have 3x plus times minus gives us what? Minus. So we have minus 2x plus 5 is less than 2x plus times minus, we have what? Minus 2x plus 9. If we do that, we have 3x minus 2x. It will give us 1x, which is the same thing as x, plus 5 is less than 2x minus 2x. It cancels out. We have 0 plus 9. Now we have that x plus 5 is less than 9. For x to stand alone, we can add minus 5 to both sides. So if we say add minus 5 to both sides, of the equation, we have x plus 5, then we add minus 5. So plus minus 5 is less than 9 plus, we add the minus 5. We have x plus 5, plus times minus is what? Minus, so we have minus 5 is less than 9. Plus times minus here, we have minus 5. Here we have x plus 5 minus 5 is what? 0. It gives us 0 is less than 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 gives us 4. X plus 0 is equal to x is less than what? 4. So here we have made x the subject of formula. X is now standing alone. So we come to this option. Option A here is the correct option. X is less than 4. Question 2 we have here says solve the simultaneous equation. X plus y is equal to 7 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. It says what is x? Solve the simultaneous equation. X plus y is equal to 7 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. What is x? Option A, we have 10 over 3. Option B, we have 3. Option C, 4. And option D, 5. So let's solve this question together. We are given two equations. X plus y is equal to 7 and what? 2x minus y is equal to 3. Let's call this equation 1. And let's call this equation 2. This is a simultaneous equation, which means we should solve these two equations together, side by side, simultaneously. It means solving these two equations together. Now, to do that, we have about 3 methods of solving simultaneous equation. The first method is the substitution method. The second method is the elimination method, and the third method is called the graphical method. So let's solve this equation using the substitution method. Using substitution method, we have that x plus y is equal to 7 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. If we solve this question using simultaneous method, don't forget this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. It means pick one of these equations, make a certain variable the subject of formula, then whatsoever you get there, substitute it into the other equation. By that I mean, let's pick equation 1, make either x or y the subject of formula. Your answer, you substitute it into this second equation. If we do that, if we make x the subject of formula here, the subject of formula, we have that x is equal to 7. For x to stand alone, y has to leave this side of the equation. Y will cross to this other side. It changes from what? From positive to negative. So we have minus y. We have made x here the subject of formula. This becomes our equation 3. Now we have gotten equation 3. Substitute the value of x in equation 3 into equation 2. Substitute the value of x in equation 3 into equation 2. If we do that, this is equation 2. It means anywhere you see x, replace it with this equation. We have 2x minus y. Instead of writing x, we replace it with it, 7 minus y. Minus y is equal to 3. If we expand this bracket, we have 2 multiply 7. 2 times 7, we have 14. And 2 will multiply negative y. If 2 multiplies negative y, we have minus 2y minus y is equal to 3. Here we have 14 minus 2y minus y will give us minus 3y is equal to 3. If we make this the subject of formula, we have 3y is equal to 14 minus 3. 14 minus 3 gives us 11. If we make y the subject of formula here, we have y is equal to 11 over 3. Now we have gotten the value of y. Let's substitute it into equation 1 to get x. Don't forget, from the question they said what is x? So to find the value of x, we substitute this value into equation 1. If we do that, we have x plus y is equal to 7. This is x plus. Instead of writing y, we replace it with that value, 11 over what? 3. So you have 11 over 3 is equal to 7. X here is equal to, if you make x stand alone, 11 over 3 crosses the equality sign. It changes from positive to negative. So we have 7 minus 11 over 3. Here we have x is equal to, if we take the LCM, we have this is 3 divided, this is as the same thing as over 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Minus 3 divided by 3 is 1, right? 1 times 11 is the same thing as 11. So 21 minus 11 gives us 10 divided by what? 3. Therefore, the value of x here is what? 10 over 3. The correct option here is option A, 10 over 3. Question 3 says, if x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0, the sum of the roots equals option A, 8, B, 6, C, minus 6, and D, 4. Looking at this equation, it is a quadratic equation because the highest power of the unknown is 2. If we rewrite this equation, we have that x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. A quadratic equation is of this form: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is typical form of a quadratic equation. Now, sum of roots is equal to minus b over a. That's the formula for sum of roots. Sum of roots of a quadratic equation is equal to minus b over a. From this equation here, our a is 1, our b here is minus 6, and this is our constant c. So for sum of roots, we have it to be minus b over a. We have minus, our b here is what? Minus 6. So we have minus 6 over a here is what? Plus 1. Minus times minus gives us plus. So we have plus 6 over 1. 6 divided by 1 gives us 6. Therefore, the root of this equation, the sum of root of this equation is equal to plus 6. Option B. This is the correct answer. Question 4 says expand 1 plus 2x all to power 3. Expand this equation 1 plus 2x all to power 3. Here we have 1 plus 6x plus 12x squared plus 8x cubed. Option B, we have 1 plus 3 into 2x plus 3 into 2x all to power 2 plus 2x raised to power 3. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Now solution, this equation 1 plus 2x to power 3 is the same thing as 1 plus 2x multiplying itself 3 times. This is the same thing as 1 plus 2x times 1 plus 2x times 1 plus 2x. That's what it simply means. It's raised to power 3, so it's multiplying itself 3 times. So, if we come here and we expand this bracket, we have that. Let's pick these 2 and work with it first. We have 1 plus 2x into 1 plus 2x is equal to, let's work with these 2. If we do that, we have 1 will multiply 1. 1 times 1, we have 1 squared. This same 1 will multiply 2x. 1 times 2x gives you plus 2x. We are done with 1. 2 here will multiply everything in this other bracket. We have 2x times 1. It gives us plus 2x. And we have 2x times 2x. This will give us 4x squared. So if we expand these 2 brackets, this is what we have. The next thing now is to use this our answer here to multiply this. If we do that, we have 1 plus 2x into 1 squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4x squared. This is equal to 1 will multiply this, you have 1 raised to power 3. Yet, the same 1 multiplies this to have plus 2x. If 1 multiplies 2x, we also have 2x plus 1 multiplies 4x squared. We have 4x squared. We are done with that. We use plus 2x now to multiply everything in this bracket. If we do that, here we have 2x times 1x squared gives us 2x. 2x will multiply 2x, we have 4 plus 4x squared. 2x will also multiply 2x here. We have another plus 4x squared. And when 2x multiplies 4x squared, we have what? Plus 8x cubed. If we collect like terms here, we have 1 raised to the power 3 plus, we have 2x plus 2x plus 2x gives us what? 6x, right? And now we also have 4x squared and we have 4x squared here. If we add the both of them together with this other one, we have plus 12x squared plus, this is what? 8x squared. So this is the correct option here. Now when you see this option, you might be tempted to pick option A to be the correct answer. But note that both option A and option B is the same thing. Option A and option B is the same thing. If you expand option B, you get option A. So the correct answer here is both A and B. Let's try this to check if we'll get the same thing. We have 1 plus 1 plus, this is 3 times 2x. 3 times 2x gives us 6x plus, here we have 2. 2 times this, we have 4 already. This is 2 squared, we have 4. And x squared, we have x squared. If 3 multiplies this, we have what? 12x squared. Plus, here we have 2 raised to the power 3 gives us what? 8. And x raised to the power 3 gives us x to the power 3. So we have plus x to the power 3. So we see that both option A and B is the same thing. The correct option here is option C, both A and B.